the Birmingham round of Supercross is definitely going to be a forgettable one for Pierce Brown. Now, if you missed the race or you don't remember, he ended up getting taken out by Evan Ferry in the final lap of the heat race, which ended up sending him to the LCQ, where he finished second. Not exactly the worst thing in the world. Somebody took you out, not what you can really do about that. And finishing second, yeah, you get a bad gate pick, but you still make the main event. And from there, it only got worse. A few laps into the main event, I don't think it was on the broadcast at all, or at least that I didn't see, but they did show him on the ground being tended to by the Alpine Stars medical crew. And as of today, as I'm recording this, his Supercross season and championship hopes are done. Posting on his Instagram saying, quote, "Disappointed to make this post. Last Saturday wasn't my night. Dealt with some adversity in the heat and had to pay for it in the main with track position. Ended up catching a rock on the face of a jump and crashing while making a pass, resulting in a broken collarbone and dislocated wrist. Right now, I'm not quite sure what to expect for recovery time, but I'm going to do everything in my power to be back at the races ASAP. Apologies to the team and all my supporters. We've put too much work into it to have it ripped out from under us like this. Head down, we'll be back." Now, he came into Birmingham, I think he was one of like 4 riders within 2 points of the title, or the title fight at the moment. Obviously that is done. I mean, if he has no recovery timeline, that means obviously the Supercross season is over. And even if he only misses, well, he already DNF. Did not finish in Birmingham. So, massive point swings. I think he's down to like 5th or 6th now, technically. Sucks. I mean, obviously, being that close to a title fight with your teammate and having a pretty good year, and then this kind of thing happened, bam. Especially when he started off this year with a win. Arlington, 1st. Daytona, 3rd. Indianapolis, 5th. Birmingham, 21st. Now, obviously, it was kind of trending the wrong direction, 1-3-5-21, but still having a win and a podium, being that close to the title fight, it was a good year for him. And sucks that something like this can happen. Now, obviously, like I said, I don't think I saw the crash. I don't think it was televised, unless I'm wrong about that. And if I am, I don't know, let me know in the comments below. But obviously, Birmingham was a big shake-up point in points, with Davies getting the extra 3 after the Deegan penalty, which is its own problem. Good for him, good for the team, I guess, technically, and bad for the look of the AMA, but especially bad for Brown to injure himself. And I don't want to say late into the season, but because he is on the East, it is technically late in the season, so who knows how long this is going to affect his recovery time, training time, and being ready for outdoors. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.